Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook. Mr. JOC started to share Okinawa travel series on the blog, and I prepare some Okinawan recipes to go with the post. Today I'm sharing a recipe for Okinawan donuts called Sata Andagi. When we are in Okinawa, we tried many different flavors, and they are also delicious. For this recipe, I made black sugar Sata Andagi, which is very famous in Okinawa. However, we cannot get black sugar from Okinawa, so I use this, I'm not sure how to say correctly, but muscovado sugar instead. Now let's get started. If you enjoy this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Japanese recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in my next video. またね!